as I must say this to the people of our nation, because this is the assignment that the Honorable Raila Odinga and I will mention who else were working on. Mumesikia Mama Aida Odinga vile ameongea. Amesema Raila was very concerned about our country and the state of our development. All of us know that Raila kept on telling us about South Korea, about Malaysia, about Singapore, and about those countries that were with Kenya 60 years ago. And he was very concerned that Kenya was still a third world country. You have heard from Haida herself. It was a major concern for the Honorable, the late Prime Minister. And wacha niwaeleze wa Kenya, the last 3 months, I have been engaging deeply with the former Prime Minister. And I want to say, when I first declared that I was going to run for president in 2005, among the people who encouraged me, then, when it was not even thinkable that I would be anything, was Raila Odinga. The last 3 months, we sat together and we agreed with Raila. And I want to say here in front of his body, we agreed with him that we must do whatever it takes to get Kenya out of this third world status and move it to the first world. We sat down with these men here. Na tukakubaliana na huyu Raila Amolo Odinga mwenyewe akatumana yule Hino, Professor Hino, akuje Kenya. Hino came here almost a month ago for us to agree on the plan that is going to get Kenya out of this mess